Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back. Day 100. Thank you so much for all of your support. And if you want to support me further, you can go to the schmink in my schmio, and there are all sorts of ways to do so monetarily. It's still Julia Brownlee's week for repping the rep. One thing I love about her is she always makes sure to post about appreciation and awareness days. So today was Teacher Appreciation Day. We always see those photos with advocates outside a member of Congress's office, but we never actually know what goes on in those meetings. Today we got to see some of Gwen Moore's meeting. And this woman down at the bottom is a nurse at a nursing home. And she explains how the loss of funding for Medicaid will affect her place of work. These are the kind of stories we need to share with our Republican family, friends, and neighbors. Because if their parent is in a nursing home, I highly doubt they'd want to take care of them at home instead. Johnny O had today's Democratic Daily Download. It's all about the budget bill and how Republicans promised to lower costs starting day one, but they've only raised them. He's the perfect person to post this one because he does this every single day. 122 days, not a single vote to lower costs. Ron Wyden had a huge win many years in the making. He and the Senate Finance Committee have been investigating Credit Suisse for a tax evasion scheme that helped the ultra-wealthy. Well, yesterday they agreed to a $511 million settlement. Hard work pays off. Greg Landsman posted this fabulous video, which if you're watching this on TikTok, you can find in the caption, explaining that his committee, the Energy and Commerce Committee, the one that's going to be cutting healthcare. He explains how that works and what the Democrats are doing to stop it. There were a ton of Democratic pressers today. This is just one of them. Leader Hakeem Jeffries, Whip Catherine Clark, Agriculture Committee Ranking Member Angie Craig, Budget Ranking Member Brendan Boyle, and Energy and Commerce Ranking Member Frank Pallone held a presser about Social Security and SNAP. And in this video, Clark is talking about how Republicans are just trying to waste time right now. Which leads us to her video from yesterday, showing an empty hearing room, because Republicans canceled all hearings this week. They don't want us to think about how they're cutting healthcare. We made them scared. This is our power at work. Finally, Adam Schiff blew my mind. I've been thinking about Alcatraz wrong. It has nothing to do with prison. It's a national park with tourist revenue of $60 million a year. Without it, the national parks suffer. If you made it to the end of this post, comment with a senior citizen. Gotta be talking about nursing homes when we talk about Medicaid. If you have watched or read at least one of the things I screenshot, comment a 10, because the national parks need to be the angle for the Alcatraz conversation. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.